Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile on your Mac. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which allows your computer to run Android applications. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player. Carefully consider your Mac's specifications and choose an emulator that best suits its capabilities. Always download the installer directly from the emulator's official website to ensure security and proper functionality. This first step is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once you have downloaded your chosen emulator, locate the installer file and run it. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, launch the emulator for the first time. You will then be prompted to complete an initial setup, which typically involves agreeing to terms and signing in with your Google account. This Google sign-in is essential for accessing the Google Play Store and downloading games. With your emulator fully set up and your Google account connected, it is time to get Warzone Mobile. Navigate to the Google Play Store application, which will look familiar if you have an Android phone. Use the search bar, usually located at the top, to type in Warzone Mobile. Once you find the game, simply click the Install button. The emulator will then handle the download and installation, just like a regular Android device. Congratulations, you are now ready to play Warzone Mobile on your Mac. Launch the game from the emulator's home screen. For the best experience, take some time to optimize your emulator settings. You might adjust resolution, CPU cores, or RAM allocation. Also, configure your in-game controls, mapping keyboard keys and mouse movements to touch inputs. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for smooth gameplay and an enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.